Kia ora whānau. In this video we're going to have a look at how your children learn how to add numbers together at school and some things you can do at home to help with that learning. So here we go. The problem we're going to work on today is 8 plus 7. When children first start learning how to solve problems like this, they get 8 counters and then they get another 7 counters and then they count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The next step in learning to add numbers together is called counting on. Instead of using counters, they'll have the biggest number in their head and then they'll use the counters to help them count on with the smaller number. So we have the 8 in our head and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The next step after counting on is what we call part-whole thinking. That's what we're going to focus on today. That involves taking the numbers and splitting them up into easier numbers to work with. So for this problem, we're going to keep the 8 and we're going to split the 7 into a 5 and a 2. Then we're going to add the 2 onto the 8. Many children know 8 plus 2 is 10. So if we join that 2 onto the 8, we'll end up with 10 plus 5, which is easier for most children to solve. Splitting numbers up is a difficult skill for children to learn. So to make it easier, we use a tens frame, which is a blank piece of card with 10 squares on it. In this example, I've got 2 tens frames. One, I've got 8 green counters, and the other has got 7 blue counters. Now, as I move the counters over, children can see that instead of 8 plus 7, we're making 10 plus 5. So that's our introduction to adding numbers together. Thanks very much for watching, and if you'd like to do some of this at home, send a message to your child's teacher and we will send you out a little pack with some tens frames and some counters. Thanks very much.